if you use this one, you can understand. See, oxygen has atomic number 8, so electronic configuration 2C. That means it needs 2 more electrons. Hydrogen atomic number 1, electronic configuration 1. So it needs 1 more electron. Right?
Yes.
So one oxygen atom needs 2 electrons. That means it needs 2 hydrogen atoms. Right? To get equilibrium. So here you can see this is the oxygen atom 6 electrons, hydrogen atom 1 electron each. Now you can see here 2 electrons. So the bond forms single covalent bond between oxygen and hydrogen. If here one single covalent bond, here is the another single covalent. So this is the first molecule. Okay. Now try to draw ammonia molecule. This is ammonia molecule, NH.